Then it has served the IAF in many successful roles. This aircraft took part in the 1961 Congo operation, and the navigator does the bombing besides navigation. In fact, it is at high altitude. The total fuel capacity of the aircraft is 17,500 pounds, and with this much of fuel, the aircraft can fly for a duration of approximately 3 hours and 30 minutes, and can cover a range of about 2,000 and one each under the wing. In the interdisciplinary roles, it is capable of having a radar guidance system which enables it to fire infrared as well as radar-guided beam missiles. On the engine side, it has an additional jet-assisted takeoff system which reduces its takeoff run to approximately 700 meters. A supersonic aircraft of this class in today's environment would require between 12 to 1300 meters for takeoff. It also has an
Gentlemen, the aircraft you are saying is MiG-21 B-75B. It is a superior aircraft among the all MiG series. It can carry more armament loads. It is a more superior aircraft than all MiG. It can, sir, we can go there.
This small aircraft in front of you is known as Iskra. The word Iskra means spark in Polish language. It is manufactured in Poland. It was introduced in Indian Air Force in year of 1975. It is two-seater aircraft. Front seat is for the pupil pilot and the second for the instructor. In Indian Air Force, this is used to give the advanced flying training. After completing the basic training of flying, trainees has to learn armament training like a gurney, rocketing and bombing.
You're seeing here, this is Kiran aircraft by its name. This aircraft has been manufactured in India itself by the Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, Bangalore. This aircraft was presented to Indian Air Force in the year 1973.
Ajit is a single-seater, single-engine tactical support cum day interceptor aircraft and is manufactured by Hindustan Aircraft Limited, Bangalore. This aircraft is the ground attack version of a NAT commonly known as Sabre Killer. In fact, the first Sabre ever shot down was the victim of a NAT aircraft. Ajit made its first maiden flight on 5th March 1975 and was inducted into squadron service during March 78. The first squadron to be re-equipped with Ajit is number 9 squadron. Ajit retains all basic features of a NAT, that is all plus points of a NAT, and in addition many improvements have been incorporated in this aircraft.
Endurance and armament capability. It is a single-engine, single-seated, all-weather fighter aircraft. This is presently the oldest aircraft among fighter forces in operational service of the Indian Air Force. The aircraft manufactured by Bharat Limited.
This is Jaguar aircraft, our latest acquisition from the British Aerospace, UK. It is a single-seater, all-weather, ground attack aircraft capable of destroying a wide variety of enemy targets. It ranks as one of the best deep penetration strike aircraft in the world.
Gentlemen, the aircraft you are now looking at is MiG-21 supersonic jet fighter. It is an advanced version of the earlier famous MiG-21 FL, which won its laurels in downing enemy aircraft and destroying ground targets during 1971 Bangladesh operations.
और इसमें हाई विंग्स होने की
आपके समक्ष ठीक 5:05 पर 3 किरण विमान टारमैक के ऊपर अपने हवाई कारमानों का
at Brick Road on 1st April 1933. With the outbreak of war in Europe, this aircraft did patrol duties unceasingly in all weather along India's 3,000 miles of coastline, thereby also providing
This aircraft was designed by Hawker Company of UK, one of military aviation's most outstanding aircraft, first flown in 19...
Later, several fighter bombers squadron of Indian Air Force were equipped with this different model.